We made it to China Wall. Look.
His car throws sand.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little. Got a little covered, but we made it to China Wall.
Yeah, man, I loved every second of it.
These people got a whole setup over here. I'm about to go steal me a hot dog.
Try to get to the drags.
To the drags.
Jack let him borrow the Turbo R. I don't know if we said that already or not, but he's the one driving Jack's car. Yep. He's slightly tall on the, I don't know if you see his height compared to the cage. So when we built this cage for him, we built it to his height and measurements. And Maple Mike is like Jack's here. Yeah. And he's got like 1.5 feet. Did you have fun, Jess?
Lots of fun.
Oh, look at that. Jess approved. Yep. Brian led us on that one. Greg was leading us earlier, and we've had both good times. Greg, any post-action interview, how are you doing?
Need better goggles.
Yeah, he did. That's how, even with a windshield riding behind Brian, man, he's got those huge scoopers on him, man. Oh, excuse my language, meow.
Quite a ways.
Yeah. That, at the end of the day, like, if having a windshield, being behind him, it's still like I get hit, but like, yeah. Did you have fun, Ashley?
I did.
Okay, all right. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. People are having fun. It's Sunday. There's not a lot of people here. I mean, there's a ton of people here, but not as much action as yesterday. But let's check it out, guys, and see if we can see anybody racing. Well, guys, I tried to bring y'all fun drag action, but there ain't nothing happening right now. There's people here. Like, if you, I don't know if you can see it, but there's plenty of cars. Like all the way down there.
Nobody wants to race.
Nobody wants to race. Why? Why?
They just want to watch, I guess.
You guys are like Sour Patch Kids without the sour. It's no fun, it's just sugar. We need the sour too.
We're gonna leave the drags, guys. Not much happening over here. There's a lot of people watching, just no racing. So we're gonna go ahead and head to Sunset because the sun is setting. I don't think you can see it.
Okay.
So we're gonna go watch a beautiful sunset. Packed. So I'm gonna put the drone up for you guys.
Look who we got back. We got Mike, military Mike made it back, ladies and gentlemen. I know y'all were missing him. We got a blue wheel. We got a pink fuchsia wheel. This is Jed, or is this Jason's wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, Jace Packard.
Shout out to Jace Packard for loaning me his front so I can get back on paddles.
Yeah. So we got a gray arm, a blue arm, a pink wheel, a blue wheel. The good news is Mike can actually drive on paddles. Unfortunately, I cannot, which sucks, but whatever. Have a fun at Sunset, guys. Brian has been leading us and having a good time. And we're parked over a little bit because there's not a lot of space over there. Chris has got the drone up somewhere. You've either seen it before or after this. Riker's here again. Say hi. Y'all know Riker. He's excited all the time, and I freaking love that. Anyways, so we were hoping that the colors of the sky would become beautiful, but all these clouds are just blocking it right now. We'll figure it out, guys.
The sunset tonight's a little lackluster, guys. That's all we got. That's all we got. So we're gonna go ahead and head back to camp. Go hold our baby. That's what you would have thought. A lot of people might have left today, but you can still see all of the washes are all lit up. But we made it here safe. I'll tell you, this is what I was gonna tell you guys, is that Brian here, dude rips. And it is really fun following him. We're ripping through those. So good time, guys. We're gonna just hang out at the hill and enjoy a fire and maybe go rip the big bowls behind the hill. Maybe. We'll see. We'll let you know.
That's funny, man. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a fun time on this video. We had a blast following Brian, and we had the whole crew here. We had Ashley. Krista was there for most of it, and Greg, who doesn't want to look at the camera. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for our sponsors. Thank you for all the love you've given us, and we will see you on the next one. We're not going home yet. But we'll see you on the next one. Love you, bye.
All your friends are now my enemies. Always tell you what to do.